we've never had this much performance in a 14-inch product. The Alienware 14 is the most powerful 14-inch notebook in the whole universe. The new Alienware 14 is perfect for just about any backpack. It'll fit in most travel cases, and it's really mobile. That means you can take your entertainment wherever you go. If you want to experience games or movies on a big TV, you can do this by using the HDMI 1.4 output, or you can opt into the wireless HD technology. It's kind of like having HDMI over the air. There are a lot of firsts with the Alienware 14. We have a brand new IPS panel that offers a full HD resolution. We also have GTX class graphics. So the visual experience in that system is going to kick ass for any gamer. And even when you're not gaming, if you're using the system for any kind of entertainment, if you're looking at videos or photography, it's going to look beautiful. We've partnered with premium brands such as Klipsch and Dolby, so we're delivering a premium audio experience. From a performance standpoint, the Alienware 14 will handle almost any application. Even when you're not gaming, if you have other hobbies, if you want to do things like create content from video or professional photography, the system has the capability. And it has that because of the 4th generation Intel Core i7 processors. Beyond that, you can get tons of memory and tons of storage space. So if you really need a lot of capacity, you can get up to 3 hard drives. You can get up to 16 gigs of memory as well. So if you're looking for the best mix of performance and portability, and you really care about having a system that'll be able to play the latest games for years on end, the Alienware 14 is the perfect choice.